What is JSON Web Token? JWT stands for JSON Web Token. It's a compact and secure way of transmitting information between parties as a JSON object. In simpler words, JWT is like a digital passport that contains information about a user or an entity. Structure of a JSON Web Token. If you're unfamiliar with JWT, don't worry. We'll break it down into simple terms and explain each component with an example. First, let's start with the three main parts of a JWT: header, payload, and signature. The header of a JWT contains information about how the token should be processed and secured. It typically consists of two parts: the token type and the signing algorithm used to secure the token, such as HMAC, SHA-256, or RSA. Moving on to the payload, this is where the actual data or claims reside. Let's see an example payload. In this example, we have the subject assigned with a value of 123, the name having a value of a username, and an admin with a value of a true. Finally, the signature is created by combining the encoded header and payload, also a secret key known only to the issuer. The signature ensures the token's integrity and verifies that it hasn't been tampered with. The resulting signature is appended to the base 64 encoded header and payload, forming the complete JWT token. Putting it all together, a JWT token looks like this. As you can see, it consists of three parts, each separated by a dot. The first two parts are base 64 encoded, and third part is hashed signature. How JWT works? Now let's practically understand the working of JWT. Let's take an example of a chat application that allows users to create an account by providing name, username, email, and password. Once the account is created, then user can log in with registered credentials. The chat application will generate and assign unique JWT token to the end user. This JWT token acts as your digital identification card within the chat application. It contains specific information about you, such as your username, account type, and perhaps additional details like your user ID or role information. The token is encrypted and signed using a secret key known only to the chat application. Now, whenever you want to access the chat application or perform certain actions, such as sending messages, you must have valid JWT token. It is your proof of identity within the chat application, like an ID card or badge. For instance, the chat application recognizes this from the JWT token if you're an admin. It grants you additional permissions such as moderating the chat, managing user accounts, or accessing special features. On the other hand, regular users have access to standard messaging functionalities. In summary, JWT plays a very important role in user identification and provides features based on user roles. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video insightful and informative. At SecurityBoat, we are dedicated to providing comprehensive security solutions and services. From vulnerability assessments and penetration testing to security consulting, we have you covered. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos where we'll delve deeper into a wide range of information security topics and share valuable insights to help you safeguard your digital assets. Thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to explore the SecurityBoat workbook for additional resources and consider leveraging our professional services to ensure your organization's security. Until next time.